everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Zama and today I'm reviewing the HP Sprocket, and I decided to get the blue one, kind of like the chameleon-ish color, and they do have white, black, I think there's a white and rose color one, and all the ones that I saw were $130, but I wasn't totally into the white and rose color one. I really liked this one, but this one was more expensive at bestbuy.com, and I was like, oh, I don't think the color is like a huge factor for me to be paying more. And then I went to the Amazon website and it was actually way cheaper than the other one. So this one right now has a deal and it's $90. So make sure to go to Amazon.com if you do want this purple blue color, and it's $90. So I do recommend, if you want the blue one, definitely get it in Amazon just because you're saving $40. Do not pay more than $130. Walmart has them, Best Buy and Target as well, and Amazon as well, but do not pay more than $130. So it comes in this little box and it says HP Sprocket smartphone printer, and it prints 2x3-inch photos, and it looks like that. And this is for iPhones and Androids, and you also need an app to kind of connect the Bluetooth with your phone and the printer, and it's called, what is it called? HP Sprocket app. So it includes the 2x3-inch paper, the zinc paper, 10 sheets of those, and you obviously have to get the app. And I'm pretty sure it also comes with the cord. So let me try to open it up. I actually already just slit that just to make this easier. And it's, okay, so it has this little thing here too. So let me remove that. It has this little kind of like direction thing where it tells you to get the HP Sprocket app and download it. And it tells you how to insert the little paper, just like that. So this is like really minimal instructions. And this is the little printer. So it's really small. So this is compared to, I guess, my face or my hands. It's really, really small. And I really love the color of this. It's kind of like a blue purple. It reminds me of the ocean. So I really like this one. It says in the back hpsprocket.com. It comes with a cord, and it also comes with the 10 pieces of zinc paper, and you can also get this in Amazon.com, eBay, and it's 10 little sheets. So it's not a lot of them, but it is 10 of them. And I also decided to get a case just to keep it more secure, and it looks like that. And I bought this one in eBay. I'll link all the links down below, and it looks super cute and matchy with the little printer. So it looks super cute together, and I was really excited for this one. And this one was like $9, and it's actually really sturdy, and it has this little strap as well. So now I'm going to go a little closer to the printer, and I'm going to download the app and see how it actually prints. I'm going to print 5 pictures to see how they all look. So this is how it looks up close, and compared to my hand, it's that big, and it's really small, light. It's not that thick either. This is the back. And I'm going to go ahead and insert the paper, and this is the little packet with 10 sheets, and these are the instructions. So I'm assuming you just kind of like pop it out, because it seems like it, oh, there you go. So you just pop it out. You're just going to grab it and do it just how it says right here, and put the little blue paper on the bottom. Like that. Oh, there you go. So just lock it in like that, and now our paper is in there, and this is the cord. So now I'm just going to go ahead and download the Sprocket app. And it's this one right here, so I'm going to go ahead and download it. And now that it downloaded, I'm going to open that up. And it says, welcome, setup, connect your Sprocket printer, create and reveal. So we're going to set it up. Just say yes, let's go. And it's the regular Sprocket. So we've already loaded the paper. Charge and power on. So mine, I actually took a sec to charge it up. And we're gonna turn it on. I'm assuming it's this one. And once that little light comes on, that means that it's on. So that little light is on, that means that it's on. Charge and power on, we've done that. Get connected, make sure Bluetooth is active and device is powered on. So, oh, it says it's connected already. Yep, and it's already connected. My HP Sprocket is connected. So it's already been connected, done. Let's go. Would you like access to camera? Okay. Access to your photos? Okay. Location, you have to actually just say yes to everything. Send you notifications. So that's kind of how you sign in with Instagram, Facebook, Google. So you can attach all of your social media and print via there. I'm not going to do that yet. I prefer just to do it from my camera roll. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let's see which one I want. I'm going to go ahead and do this one. This one's really, really cute picture. So I'm not going to edit it. It's already been edited in my phone through Facetune and Color Story. Those are two apps that I use to kind of fix my pictures and make them a little more colorful. So this one I've already adjusted. I didn't Facetune this one, but I did go through Color Story to bring the colors back to life. And let's see, what is this? I'm just gonna say yes. Oh wait, no, I don't want that. Okay, no, that's a bad idea. Oh shoot, oh my gosh, what did I just do? So I guess I print. Let's see how it comes out. The blue one is coming out first. There you go. So this is the blue one. And now it's printing the actual picture. So this is the picture. It looks a little different than the actual picture. It looks a little darker blue, but it's still really, really cute. It has kind of that old vintage effect. If you look at it, it's not as crisp as the real picture. So you want to keep that in mind as well. But I really do like just the way it looks overall. You really can't expect like perfect pictures because it is not ink and it's a zinc technology. So this is the first one. Whatever you see here is how it's gonna come out. So I think it's this button because that's a little printer. Embedding experiences, scan this photo to reveal the experiences. Sending to Sprocket Printer, so it's printing out. So this is the other picture. Again, it looks different. It looks a little cooler toned, which I'm completely fine with, but it has that vintage kind of look. Super, super cute. It actually looks way better in person as opposed to the camera. But this is the second picture. I really, really like it. And they kind of have like the same effect. They go really well together. So you see they have kind of the same colors. I usually change my pictures with certain colors, so I'm assuming that's why, because I've adjusted them already. But this is how the picture looks. Really like it. And I'm gonna print another one as well, one that is gonna be more colorful. Actually, let's see how this one prints. This is a really pretty picture from the Del Mar Fair, and it was kind of like candy themed this year. So I really love this picture. And what's cool about these papers is that these are sticky. So you can remove this on the back and you can stick it anywhere you'd like. So this is the picture that I just printed now. Oh my gosh, this one's so pretty. It's still kind of colorful. It's not like dull or anything, but yeah, you can't see what I'm seeing in person, but this is really pretty too. This is another picture I'm going to go ahead and print out. This one I am actually going to zoom in just because my backdrop is there. So I'm going to try and kind of remove that. And we're not wearing shoes, so I'm going to also kind of remove our feet as well. So I like this. It's already been modified. I like how it looks right now. So I'm going to go ahead and print it. And I love this picture. This was Christmas. And I'm going to go ahead and print it. So it's the middle button. This is the fourth picture. And this one's super cute. Again, don't expect it to be exactly the same as the picture in your phone. Like I said, they do have that kind of old effect, but still super pretty. I love it. And actually I'm going to print, oh wow, you can do that too. So you can kind of flip it like that. I'm going to go ahead and do this one as well, just so it's how just like a portrait looks like. And if you have white, that white will appear in the printer. So if you do not want that, make sure to adjust it. Okay, why did it freeze? It froze, guys. So I'm going to try to adjust it. I'm just going to go ahead and do it like that. And I've already face tuned it, color story. I'm going to go ahead and print it. Yeah, actually, once I've changed my camera setting, it looks way better. It was a little too bright, but they look really good. And that's the portrait. And as you can see, I'm not as tan here, so I'm a little more kind of like cool toned, more white here, but still it's really pretty. The picture is really crisp. This one I actually took with my Canon camera. This was a Canon, and the rest were just pictures I took with my phone. So the better the picture you take, the better the picture will come out. So these are really high quality pictures just because I took these with my Canon and these are with my phone, and it's not the same pixels, the megapixels. So I understand why these look way better. So this is a case that I bought, really cute, matches with a printer. So I'm gonna go see and put it inside, see how it looks and how it feels. So it fits perfect, and you can even put the little cord in here, put it in there. If you have extra paper, just put it in there as well. So it's all in one spot. So it looks like that. I'm just going to go and seal it up. Actually, this is a zipper. And it's all nice and secure in one little case. So overall, I really like the printer. And I also wanted to tell you guys, if you do like crisp pictures, maybe this is not the printer for you, just because this printer is not using ink and it's using a zinc technology. And the pictures kind of have like an old, kind of pixelated vintage look to them. I personally do like that, and it's nothing that I would personally be like, oh, I need to return it. I actually really like it. For $90, that's not bad at all. If you're gonna get it now at Amazon.com, just because you do save a big chunk of money. I really do like the pictures and how they turned out. And I have two little kind of like books to put my pictures in. I do have a, let's see, this one's pretty big. So I have 2, 4, 6 in one little sheet, and it's a nice blue color as well. So it's super pretty. So I'm gonna be putting my pictures in here, and I've had that one for a while. And I have this one as well. And I do have the Polaroid snap camera. I did not like that camera at all. For my personal experience, I don't want to go into it, but it was just not my cup of tea. So this printer is for sure something way better, just because you can control and know what you're actually printing, as opposed to kind of taking pictures and not knowing where the actual, like you don't know where if you're taking a good picture or not. So you waste a lot of paper that way, and I definitely prefer a printer as opposed to an actual camera. So I really did like it. I'm gonna definitely be using it because I have a lot of like little slots to fill. I also have a scrapbook as well that I'm gonna be putting a lot of these pictures in, so I'm super excited. If you guys recommend any other printers, make sure to let me know down below. This is the first one that I've ever tried. If you guys have any recommendations for maybe even cheaper paper, because it is a little expensive, 20 little papers for $10. So I'm gonna see if I can find an alternative place to find it cheaper. If you guys know, let me know down below. If you guys happen to like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know as well any videos that you guys want to see. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.